All right, so here we go. The unboxing of the DJI Mavic Mini. See what we got here, baby. Scissors. Oh, right off the bat, we got a nice gray case. This is really nice. I don't want to say everything's in here because this looks like it's the propellers, guards, which I probably will never use those. And then it looks like we have some booklets and a charging cable, etc. So, very nice. Everything fits in one case. And here we go. Oh my goodness gracious. It is light. This is extremely light. Let's see. Charger. Nice little dock. It's very nice. We have the remote. See if it's any different from. Also, what they did do is you're able to take the joysticks off, which I take it, yes, they're right here. Let's look, there's a speaker right there too. Not too sure yet. This is very nice. Let's see, I'm gonna say this is the batteries. Is it? Extra joysticks. And we have some cables. We have some charging ports. We have more charging stuff. And we have an extra antenna. We'll go over that furthermore. What else we have? Here's the propellers. So these are extra since there is already some on here. Wow. This is very impressive. So what I do want to do is locate these batteries. I'm going to say this is it. So very hefty. Three batteries. This is so you can just slide in just like that. Wow. Well, I'll go over this in depth some more once I figure everything out, and we will go from there.